Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Inside BIT Sindri. If you are going to appear in JEE Mains 2025 and you are worried about what's the safe score for cutoff and what's the safe score for scoring a good NIT, then watch this video till the very end. I'll explain in detail about different things and make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. So first of all, let's break it down, target 1 and target 2. If you are appearing in JEE Mains January attempt, your target 1 should be crossing the cutoff percentile for to appear in JEE Advanced, and your target 2 it should be, first of all, this should be your target cutoff percentile. If you are safe that you will cross the cutoff percentile, then let's come about to the target 2, that is securing a good NIT. Factors which is going to affect your JEE 2025: number of appearing students, difficulty level of paper and performance of the students. So by now you have got your admit card and which shift you are going to appear, you have got that. From 22nd your JEE Mains is going to be held. So it depends that relative number of relative competition at your shift and the number of candidates appearing in your shift will definitely affect your percentile. So these are the three things that will affect your percentile, what percentile you are going to get. Now this, see the data. Make sure to watch the video till the very end. See the data. For 2023, 11 lakhs candidate appeared, and in 2024, 14 lakh candidates have appeared in JEE Mains. An increase of 3 lakhs is observed here in the number of candidates appearing. And in 2025, 16 lakh is the predicted number of candidates appearing in this year. So the competition is going to get tougher this year from the last year, and the percentile is also going to increase. Now let's see. Last year, what was the 11 lakh and 90 percentile was a cutoff for JEE Mains, and in 2023 it's 93 percentile. As predicted, this year the cutoff will be 94.5 percentile. Hard work has gone behind making the video and the PDF, so make sure to like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel if you are appearing for JEE Mains 2025, and if you are going to participate in the JOSA counseling. We are going to cover this JOSA counseling this year. Everything related to JOSA counseling and JEE Mains is going to be posted on this channel. This channel might be the most important thing you have stumbled upon if you are appearing in your JEE Mains 2025 session. So guys, 94.5 percentile is going to be the cutoff this year as predicted for JEE Mains. Competition is going to be a lot more tougher as compared to last year. See, last year it was different categories, different cutoff. For ST it was 46.3 and for general it was 93.2, and as compared from the 2023, 3 percentile increase is observed, and this 6 percentile increase is observed in 81.3 percentile EWS, and for general this year the cutoff will be around 94 percentile. These are the data, some of the other datas, Jan 2023 and April 2023 attempt. See, the thing is ki for 99 percentile, the shift which has received the lowest marks at 99 percentile, 155, and for April 161 was the lowest marks to receive 99 percentile in April. So 5 marks increase is observed. Similarly, 99 percentile, the shift which has the lowest marks for 93 percentile in April was 99 marks. And in Jan 87, if you got 87 marks in a certain shift which has the lowest marks for 93 percentile. So the thing is, the competition gets tougher in April session. So if you prepare nicely for the January session, and if you attempt the paper nicely through a calm mind and composed mind, make best use of this January 2023 session, because candidates prepare for board simultaneously and they give their JEE April session. So the thing is ki they have a decent preparation strategy by the time they are ready for April session. Give your best in the Jan session itself. Safe score. Now the end point is, what should be the safe score to secure an NIT, good NIT with a decent branch. To get 99 percentile in this year January session, you should have more than 200 marks, 210 plus marks, and to get an NIT with a decent branch you should have around 170 180 marks, more than 160 marks. So this is the data. This is if you have got 170 marks, you will be able to land into an NIT with a decent branch. And if you want computer science in one of the best NITs, then around 220, 230, 240 you should get in the Jan attempt itself. I hope things are getting clear at what marks you will be able to land a good NIT. Around 200 marks, around 180 marks with a decent branch. See, for 99 percentile, mostly any NIT CSC branch. Minimum percentile required for NIT CSC, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. For tier 1 you should have around 99.4, more than 99.4, and these is the marks, 97.5. These are the accurate datas from the cutoff. I have made a cutoff video on all the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 NITs. Make sure to explore that in the page of this channel, and I'll provide the link of that video in the description. Make sure to check the description also. And tier 2, it's 97.5 percentile you will get tier 2 NIT CSC, and 96.9 percentile you will get tier 3 NIT CSC. For 96.9 percentile, this is the marks. This is the 160 to 190 plus marks. You can consider it in the 180 to 200 range. NIT any branch category wise, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So even if you have got more than 95 percentile, you will get NIT, but your marks should be around 150. I'll provide the PDF in the description. Go download it and check it for yourself also. So this was the safe score. I hope you have got the doubt clear that what should be your safe score to land an NIT. So around 180 would be your safe score in the January session to land a decent NIT with a decent branch. And if you want top tier NITs with a good branch like CSC, so you'll need more than 220 marks. This year around 16 lakh candidates are appearing in JEE Mains, and around 94 percentile would be the cutoff this year. Competition is getting a lot more tough as compared to last year, and from 22nd your JEE Mains is starting. Best of luck for your exam. Give your best. Like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned guys.